click here, and this is how you hack Wolf Online. But you gotta have Wolf Online and ES File Explorer. So you wanna go to ES File Explorer. Then you wanna you see those three dots on the top corner, top right. You click it, then press Windows. Then you wanna press SD card. Press Android. Press OBB. Press hold. Honda Games Wolf Online. You wanna rename it. Now you wanna put an R at the end. Then you wanna go install. And go back to ES File Explorer. Rename this. Rename it. Then you wanna go under downloads. Wait. Gotta go to Hellcandyx. So, if you want the mod, you gotta go to this YouTuber. I'm going to put the name in the description below. So, you want to click the mod you want to download. Press install, package installer, and install it. It's finally done. Now press open. It's loading. It just loaded. And if you want, you could put a name in. And that'll be a map. Let's get the tutorial. I see how you're like slow and stuff. See this? You wanna press the text 5 times. Press defense 5 times. And you wanna press health 5 times, and that's how you become, see no health bar. So bye, YouTube.